Walk it out, walk it out, walk it out, walk it out.
Don't you dare, dude. I'm gonna kick ya. Hey, we stood our landing up.
What'd you think, man?
It was awesome.
Nice job. Nice job.
What's that?
Give me a thumbs up. Come over here with Tony and give me a thumbs up here.
Good job, guys.
Yeah. Thanks for skydiving in Skydive, Arizona.